In this video, you'll learn the exact service percentages of all the major brands, and you want a reliable brand because replacing induction drivers is highly technical and expensive if needed to be fixed. Induction has a huge number of benefits. It's the fastest to boil with an infinite simmer. Induction is also the easiest to clean. And due to the less heat emission, it's also the easiest to vent. Because induction works by magnets and needs to sense metal to turn on, induction is the most child-safe cooktop you can buy. In 2021, we logged over 40,000 service calls from December 2020 to October 2021. In fact, Yale has a higher number of service stops daily, more than delivery and more than installation. As a formula, we simply take the warranty service calls and divide them by unit sales that year. So what you're seeing is the first-year reliability of all the major appliance brands. The reliability of induction as a group is 6.1%, outperforming the overall appliance average of 9.5% by 3.4%. Here are the top three. KitchenAid has good features with expandable burners on both sides, plus a power burner in the middle for hotter searing and quicker boiling. Thermador has great design and the most innovative technology in the segment. Their Freedom Induction cooktop is powerful and can automatically follow pans as they move around the surface. It also has a touchscreen interface. Wolf induction cooktops are a favorite of our resident chef. The 4 burners on the left-hand side can be bridged to form one large, powerful burner, and the controls are also very intuitive. Induction is a reliable product and a good consideration in your kitchen with all the other benefits of boiling, simmering, cleanability, and safety. Just remember, it is not an easy repair like replacing an igniter on a gas burner or an element on an electric stove. So make sure whatever brand you buy has a highly skilled technician to fix it. Click the link in the description to download our free induction cooking buying guide to learn more about the most reliable induction cooktops and what brand might be right for you. Thanks for watching.